I'm Liana.
Welcome back to PodWave English.
Thank you so much for joining us again today.
Today's topic is very important for English learners.
Yes, because many learners feel stuck,
They study, they watch videos, they listen to podcasts,
but they don't see progress.
and that creates frustration.
Sometimes even sadness.
Liana, why do people feel stuck while learning English?
One big reason is a lack of direction.
They don't know what to focus on.
Exactly. They try to learn everything at the same time.
Grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, speaking, listening.
And the brain becomes tired.
That's like trying to treat all diseases at once.
Yes, it doesn't work that way.
Learners also expect fast results.
That's another major problem.
English is a long-term skill.
Not a one-week course.
Let me ask you something.
Sure.
If someone goes to a doctor and takes medicine for one day,
Will they be cured?
Of course not.
Learning English is the same.
Consistency matters more than intensity.
10 minutes daily is better than 2 hours once a week.
Many learners stop because they feel bored.
Yes, boredom kills motivation.
Why does boredom happen?
Because they study in the same way every day.
Same books, same exercises, same routine.
The brain needs variety.
That's why podcasts are powerful.
You learn naturally without pressure.
Another reason people feel stuck is fear of speaking.
They understand English but don't use it.
Knowledge without action creates frustration.
Speaking is like exercise.
If you don't move, muscles become weak. Some learners say, "I'll speak when I'm ready,"
But readiness comes from speaking.
not from waiting.
Exactly.
Let's talk about grammar fear.
Oh yes, many learners are stuck there.
They want perfect sentences.
But real conversations are not perfect.
Native speakers break rules all the time.
Communication is more important than correctness.
Another hidden problem is comparison.
Learners compare themselves to fluent speakers.
That destroys confidence.
Everyone has a different journey.
Different time, different background.
Progress should be personal.
Liana, what advice would you give to someone who feels stuck right now?
First, relax. Feeling stuck is normal.
That's comforting.
Second, simplify your learning.
Focus on one main goal.
For example, speaking confidence.
Then everything supports that goal.
Listening, vocabulary, practice.
What about mindset?
Very important.
How should learners think?
They should think like learners, not judges.
Meaning?
Don't judge every mistake.
Just notice and move on.
Mistakes mean progress.
I like that.
Another tip is tracking progress.
Many learners forget how far they've come.
Writing small wins helps.
Like, today I spoke for 2 minutes.
Or, I understood a full podcast.
That builds motivation.
Also, learners should enjoy the process.
Yes, enjoyment keeps you consistent.
Choose topics you like,
Life, health, success, stories.
not just textbooks.
Before we end, I want to say something important.
Go ahead.
Feeling stuck doesn't mean you're failing.
It means you're growing,
Growth feels uncomfortable.
but it leads to improvement.
So if you're listening now,
Don't quit.
adjust your method.
Stay patient.
Keep speaking.
Keep listening.
Progress will come.
Slowly but surely.
Thank you for spending your time with us today.
We truly appreciate you.
Keep learning.
Keep believing in yourself.
We're Harry and Liana.
And we believe in you.